I am, front and back. All the people that I work with, loving them. Safeway, cool, solved that one. Marie, great. Tennis has been superior. Exercise, recreation, that was fun, solving fitness. Oh my gosh, even the word recreate, R-E-R-E-C-T, just disturbing. I-N, recreation. And very cool. Still using, remember vitamin C equals the Father. Been using that on the facial skin. So cool. All right. Wisdom, revelation, knowledge. So this is revolution in education, and very, very cool. Oh yeah, the word very has I am at the dead center. Very nice. All right, God is good. Awesome. High energy, that's a sweet set of letters. Okay. Awesome. Very awesome. All right, that's good for me today. Glory to God. Today is it's May 1st. It's May 1st, 2017, Tuesday. For the record, it's in the evening. I like to be accurate about these accounts to the glory of God, so that when these things were revealed, when these words came to mankind, just for the glory of God. Very awesome. See if there's anything else I can, there's tons of these words. But I think that's pretty good for now. Oh yeah, one of my favorite words is solved. On all my videos I write solved. Solved equals I am love. Where are we? I am love. I think we solved the phrase I think, therefore I am. Pink and pen, metabolism, force, movement. Solving all these words. Oh yeah, cream. The cream is on top. Soft cream, faith. So yeah, you can just see what it all looks like. You're just basically studying and solving all the words and people in your life. There's the double I am for Hannah. All the words that God is giving you in your life. The words of things, the names of things, and you are amazed at how all of them glorify the names of God. Power and energy belong to the great I am, the dead center of all of your life. Okay, so you get the idea. Studying all the words in world history, rise and stand in brightness. Okay, that's good for now. I think I'll take a break. Glory to God. Great I am.